Okay guys, the hotel review time. This one's an unusual one because it's in a coffee shop. It's an awesome room, a little pricey, but well worth the money in my opinion. This coffee shop slash hotel is located in the northwest part of Chiang Mai City, a walking distance to the Maya shopping mall. A little bit out of the way, but on a nice quiet back road. As you can see, big room. It looks like someone's already slept in the bed. That's the worst part of this hotel. It's actually a nice big comfortable bed and a really nice room. This hotel is rather pricey, like I said. It was just over 3,000 baht for the night, or right around 100 US dollars, and that included breakfast. Not much of a view, but that's life in a Thailand city. This hotel comes with amazing reviews. On Agoda, it's 9.2 out of 10 for a rating, with 191 reviews, which is not that many, but not bad considering this is a very small place with only a handful of rooms. I'm not sure how many, but it's not much. It's considered 3 stars. And comparing it to other 3-star hotels in the area, it's much better, that's for sure. The room is nice and clean. Check-in and everything like that, super easy. Very, very friendly people. You had to check in the coffee shop, which is a little bit unusual. Big room, as you can see, yeah? Mini bar. I think all this stuff was included in the room. I'm not 100% sure. I just drank the water, that was it. I didn't touch anything else. I don't drink coffee, and all the other stuff I wasn't interested in. But I just drank the water, which was already in the fridge and nice and cold. But I'm pretty sure all that stuff was included in the room. Big tub. It came with a complimentary drink and a nice piece of cake. The cake was delicious. The drink was good as well. This is inside the coffee shop at night. They give you a passcode to get through the door, so you can let yourself in when the place is closed. I would assume there's a lot of cameras making sure you don't help yourself. There's plenty of things there that look good. Customer service here was awesome. I give it 5 out of 5. I had no issues whatsoever. Parking was a little strange. You have to park next door in the paid parking area. I didn't know that, so I couldn't find the parking. Then when I parked there, I had to pay, but they reimbursed the price. Breakfast in the morning. Nice tray of fruit. That's always good. The breakfast here is absolutely amazing. And even if you don't stay here and you're in Chiang Mai, you should come here just for the breakfast. It was the best breakfast I've eaten in Thailand. I'm pretty sure the entire time I've been in this country, 20 years, it's the best breakfast I've had that I didn't cook. As you can see, very quiet in the morning. In the evening, when I checked in, it was about 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The place was very, very busy. I don't do coffee. So they gave me a nice drink. It was delicious, whatever it was. These egg cup things, absolutely delicious. And the bacon was amazing. And you'll see the sign. I showed the sign outside with all the different options for breakfast. There it is. Lots of choice. Everything delicious. So getting to the $1 million question, would I stay in this hotel again? Absolutely, man. It's a little expensive for the area, there's no doubt about that. But it's nice and quiet. Breakfast was delicious, and Customer service, 5 out of 5. What more can you ask for? I will put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to go check it out for yourself. Parking is right there. Check out the prices on your date. I don't think it changes very much. It's right around 3,000 baht a night. It's paid parking there, but like I said, they reimburse you at the front desk.